This is Kim. We are from class 7 I7 at Domda Secondary School. Today I want to tell you a idea related a donation box to support the people who have a difficult situation. What is the donation box mean? A donation box is a container for money. It represents kindness, generosity, and hope. When we see a donation box, we are reminded that even a small action can make a big difference. This box gives everyone a chance to give, to help others, no matter how rich or poor we are. By putting a little money into a donation box, we show that we care about people who are suffering or in need. The meaning of donation box is also about community and responsibility. It teaches us that we part a society and we should support each other. It encourages children and adults to give, share, and help without expecting anything in return. In short, donation boxes are powerful symbols of love and compassion. They teach us to think beyond ourselves and to act the good of others. Thanks for listening.